Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw a male character's face from a side view, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is start sketching out the circle, as you can see right there. After that, we could plane this slight curve coming down on the left hand side of the circle right here. Then we will add in two lines cutting through the circle just like that. Now underneath the curve that we made earlier, we could start coming up with this line. And we will stop it right at the center line. Okay, so after that we can move on to doing the eye, and we will just create a simple triangle shape right here. Next we could plane the bridge of the nose, and now we could start working on the actual nose right here coming down. And notice how it have like a triangle shape again. Then we could add in all the details there. Now we could head over by the eye, and we will darken up the eyelashes, and right above we will plane the eyebrow. Now back in front, underneath the nose, we could start planing the mouth, so just coming down, and then we will clean up the chin at the bottom, followed by the jaw. Then we could add in the ears and plane the details. Then right back at the eye, we will add in the pupil, and after that we could come up here for the forehead. Okay guys, so on to the neck. So starting from the back of the head, curving down, and after that we will head in front and add in this line, and then our other line for some detail. Okay guys, so we finished with the side view, so we just go in here and add in some hair. But you guys don't really have to do this. You could choose to keep your character bald. And we're gonna move a bit fast through the hair process guys, because this isn't the main part of the video. It's just how to really draw the side view. But if you guys want to follow along, feel free to slow down the video. And while we're sketching in the hair, a tip you should know is like when you're doing the hair, you don't want to have the hair actually sit right at the circle. You want to create some distance, as you could see there, because you don't want the hair to look flat. This helps to give the hair some volume. Alright guys, so we finished with the sketch. So we go and start to clean up the sketch a little bit, fine tune some stuff. And don't worry about this guys, the sketch fine is just the perfectionist in me. I just like to make sure that everything correct, everything neat and tidy. And that should be key, like when you guys doing your sketches, make sure you go over, make sure everything look right to you and you make your changes. But yeah guys, with that being said, the sketch finished, so let we kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you could see, clean. I would have to say guys, we did went ahead and give him some shoulders during the time lapse, but don't worry about that too much. Just focus on, you know, what you have so far. But you could go back through and see how we actually did the shoulders. Okay, so now on to the fun stuff, which is adding in all the colors. And for the colors guys, you could pick your own colors, have fun with it, go wild. It don't have to be correct. Just pick whatever colors you think will fit with your drawing and go ahead and just, you know, fill them in. Okay guys, so we finished with the colors, so now we can move on to the other part, which is adding in the shadows and the highlights. And for this part guys, you guys don't have to worry about doing this, but if you want to follow along you can. But we're going to start with the shadows being on the back of him, because you have the light source coming from in front. So right at the left hand side, so the shadows will go to the right of the character, as you can see as we go through here. With shadowing, it does take a while, so keep that in mind. you know, be patient with it. But you can see we wrapping that up, and now we'll move on to doing the highlights. And for the highlights, we want to add a few. We ain't going crazy with it. But yeah, alright guys, so we finished doing all of that, so you guys know what coming next, huh? And bam, there you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.